今回はですね、動画生成 AI の CEB Easymocap Monocular 増えて1っていうのをちょっと見ていきたいと思います。で、サイトとしてはここだと言うんですけれども、翻訳させましょうか。これ、全然翻訳。翻訳を知らないです。で、これね、動画になるようなんですけど、この動画をですね、固定したいと思います。
Here we are again with a new version of Easymocap Monocular version 2.0.21. In this version, we've got some nice changes, and one important thing is now it can work without a GPU card. You can work on a notebook without GPU. It works fine now. So let's go right from the beginning. We have to set up a path, so let me create one here. Mono routine. It's raining a lot here. Hope it doesn't bother you guys. Let's select a video. This is a small one. Nice. Now we have to save the blend file. That's very important. Let's save it. Here, it doesn't matter the name. And now we have the options. You have to download those files, PKL and FBX file from the SPM website. You sign in over there, you can click here to download those files. I already done that on the previous tutorial. I go through this process, but let's just import it. I have them on a folder right here. Let me load it and load the other one. Okay, now you can extract the key points, which is get the pose estimation from the video and to be used to create the mocap. It's fast because it's a very small video. Now we're going to create the animation based on the annotations from the videos we just did one step ago. It opens another Blender and the console panel so you can see what is going on with the process. Pause it because it takes a little bit, probably about 1 to 5 minutes in this video, and as soon as it finishes I'll come back. Now you can see it's saving the animation, and as soon as it finishes we can go to the other part where we can import that data inside Blender, and we can also see on the console what it's doing. And as a small animation it came very quickly. In this version I made some changes. Now you don't have to remove the animation from the root bone. It usually is wobbly. Now I've done it. I also changed the orientation. You can see now it's facing the up position correctly. And I made it play only when you have the keyframe, so you don't have to change the end keyframe for the animation to review it. And basically that's it. Just a couple of things to consider. If you have problems using this add-on, any kind of error, make sure you're using the portable version. I received some feedback, and for now, to use it without a problem, you go to download and pick up this version, this portable version. Then you just have to unzip it and
これはブレ
click on
ンダーの
blender.exe
ポータブルエディソンをダウンロードしているところ
load
ですかね。
Blender, and it will probably work fine for you. Another important thing is if you can support us, you can go to our Patreon and pick up
まあ、これも大きくしたら有料かもしれない
possible.
ですね。
It will help us a lot to keep developing and supporting you guys. And you can get into our Patreon and no, not Patreon, also Patreon, but also the Discord, where we can talk a lot and help better on the issues you're having with the add-ons. That's it for now. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good time. See you next time.
1ヶ月メキューボラート。というようなことになるかもしれないんですけど。
Hello everyone. Here comes the version 0.1 of CEB Easymocap Monocular, which means you can create animation using a single video. Important thing you have to know is you got the add-on, but you have to download 2 files from a third party. So it's interesting to do it first so you won't confuse yourself here. So let's do this. Here you can go to the site to download. In my case, I already have a login account, so it goes directly to the file. If you don't have, you create one and you will be able to download the file too. Let me download the other file. Here I can download, and so you to know the homepage is this one, SMPL. You can sign in, and after signing, if you want to do it manually, you go to the download section and you download the Python file